Somewhere in Miami-Dade, illegal dumping is happening right now. Trash, tires, toxic waste.
Hi, we're the team behind EcoDrone app. My name is Idris Fenelon.
My name is Joseph Bryan.
And we're representing 100 Black men of South Florida.
Poisoning our canals, polluting our communities. Most people never see it happen. We built EcoDrone app. See it, stop it, save it. Most illegal dumping happens when nobody's watching.
Built a smart drone system that uses mobile technology to detect and report illegal dumping in real time.
Construction debris, oil runoff, household waste, left behind near canals, roads, and neighborhoods. Every year, Miami-Dade removes over 100,000 tons of illegal waste. But by the time reports are filed, the damage is already done. Communities deserve better, and technology can help us respond faster. EcoDrone app combines drone surveillance with real-time environmental reporting. Our drones monitor areas that are difficult to track from the ground. Using thermal imaging, GPS tracking, and live reporting tools, the system can detect suspicious activity day or night.
This is the EcoDrone app, our environmental monitoring platform built for South Florida. The home screen is a live map of your neighborhood. Red markers are for illegal dumping, yellow is for moderate pollution, and green is for verified safe areas. The heat map reveals high-risk zones, and you can see drones patrolling in real time. Tap any incident, like Sawgrass Expressway here, and you get the full report, as well as the location, severity, and timestamp. Additionally, you can see how many citizens have flagged it. From here, you can file an update or notify city officials all in one tap. The bottom panel shows nearby issues across your county, all categorized, timestamped, and prioritized for officials. Tap into the live drone feed and you're seeing real-time aerial footage, all full HUD, as well as the altitude, GPS coordinates, battery, and 4K recording. Officials can dispatch any drone in the fleet. But EcoDrone isn't just for officials. If you spot something yourself, the action button opens 3 quick actions: launch a drone, report pollution, or upload photo evidence. With this feature, citizens become the first line of environmental defense in their own neighborhoods.
The global smart market is expected to reach $3 trillion by 2030.
Night alerts, data tracking, and environmental alerts. That's our secret sauce.
Activity. This is not just an idea. It is a working solution with real-world potential. EcoDrone app is designed to create measurable impact. Our goal is to help reduce illegal dumping incidents through faster reporting and increased visibility. The system also creates opportunities for partnerships with cities, environmental agencies, schools, and the Smart City initiatives. We are starting in Miami-Dade with a vision to expand across Florida and beyond. The future of environmental protection is smarter, faster, and community-driven.